Belize. This is our third and final video from Belize with EF Ultimate Break, which was a trip of a lifetime. Last video we went to the border of Guatemala and crossed to see the epic Maya city of Cacao. Now we're heading from western Belize to the southeastern coast, Placencia. The area is meant for relaxation. We'll be learning how to make chocolate, we'll be visiting the world's smallest but best zoo, and we will be figuring out why Placencia is so sought after. So let's go!
What did you get?
My hubby got me a gold chain for Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Shouldn't have.
We made a killing here. This is a really great spot.
Yeah.
We got a whole bunch of stuff.
It's pretty sweet.
There's really beautiful artwork and woodwork.
They do have some pretty high quality stuff in there.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah, and the iced coffee was, it's not real gold, by the way, but.
It's 89 karat gold. It's
oh my god.
Basically, if you look at it too long, it'll fall apart. I can smell lunch. Oh no. Your nose.
You'll make it worse that way, won't you?
No, I'm helping. Okay, I think this is where we learn how to make chocolate. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at them.
Young boy.
Everything is everything.
Get in picture. Yeah, get. Have it a bit like this to break open. Okay. And it breaks open, right? Wow. This is the starting of your chocolate, right? It's a fruit. Taste the seed. You get one? Did it taste like chocolate yet? No.
You're gonna do one too.
I need to watch you.
Yeah, it does. We'll taste some.
Remember, don't show the seeds around. Don't chew. I'm not.
Oh, you're chewing. It tastes like mango.
I like it.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's really good, actually. It's slimy, but it's actually really sweet.
That's good. That's good.
Matthew making chocolate.
Yeah.
The whole entourage watching.
Just like that?
Yeah. Don't mess it up.
Get some more nibs than that.
Faster.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like I'm making brownies. It does. I think I found my calling.
100% chocolate, baby. Is it bitter?
Just the right amount of bitterness.
Wait, really? Oh, we should make 100% chocolate then.
My god. We just made it to Umaya!
I know.
This is our resort for the next few days. It's right by the town called Placencia in the southern coastline of Belize. And oh my god, they have welcome drinks for us! Hello!
Welcome to Umaya.
Thank you so much.
Drinks.
Thank you.
We do have some rum as well, okay?
Thank you so much. It's wonderful. Oh, wow, thank you. My goodness.
Is it okay?
It's alright. It's fine. It's fine.
Words of grace. This is some bougie ass shit.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Someone was thirsty.
I don't think I've ever been more excited for a hotel room in my life. Our hotel room number is 305, which means Mr. Worldwide, 305. It's Pitbull. It's Pitbull. Pitbull's number. Whoa. Miami. It's Miami.
Pay attention to where you're walking.
Dale.
You clearly know all the words. You clearly ate too much chocolate.
Clearly. Oh my god, it's like an apartment.
That's 2 bedrooms.
No. What? It's a 2-bedroom apartment.
And do we have like the big balcony?
This is insane.
Hey.
Oh.
What's up, girl?
Whoa.
Hey.
Dude, this is amazing.
Wow. We have a big room.
Yeah, this is so cool.
Wow.
Whew. So being in Placencia is a very chill vibe. All day yesterday we hung out on the beach and just chilled.
We did.
So
We didn't film anything.
we did it, yeah, a whole day gone. Today is gonna be much of the same plan of just relaxing, maybe getting a few things just up and cleaned up around our room because we're leaving soon. Tomorrow we head back to Belize City and then I think we have like a farewell dinner, some hangout time, and then we are heading back to Portland the following day.
To go back to work. And then we get ready for another trip.
Yeah. Yeah. It is our last sunset in Placencia, and Michael's figuring out expenses because we gotta figure it out. But we also have this beautiful drumming situation happening over here. We love a sunset drumming session. It's actually really, really nice. You excited to get back home?
I mean, like, yes, I wish I had a day at home instead of like go straight to work, but I always like going home.
I like going home too. This is beautiful and incredible, but it's gonna be pretty also great, like going home and being in this ice cold weather and cozying up in a blanket and watching Netflix. Netflix. Just for a moment before we go off somewhere else, so.
Yay! And ready to go.
Yeah!
Yeah. I didn't film too much.
I think that's the way you're supposed to do Placencia.
A relaxing place.
Sit back and relax on the beach and not much else.
Now what are we doing?
I think we're making a stop at the zoo and then we go to Belize City.
For final dinner.
Family dinner. Together. Everybody.
Farewell.
Farewell dinner before we go home.
The zoo. Got our friend over here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it.
Doing a dance.
He's dancing.
Dances like me.
Yeah, he does. Hopefully he doesn't come over and eat my food.
Yeah. I can't get the cap off.
Try harder.
I'm trying. Can I twist it? Nope. Oh no. What the heck?
This is what you get when you travel with a pro.
It's slippery.
Yeah, I can. You want me to get it? Do you have sunscreen on or something?
No, I don't. I'm just trying to open the cap with my hand. I can't do it. It's slippery. It's the top part I can't get off. Yeah.
The top part keeps spinning.
It like doesn't come off. Yeah, good luck. Ooh! My hero! My hero!
What's on there?
You got it! Michael made a friend. You made a friend. It's your friend.
They're a friend I like to keep at a distance.
Like all your friends.
Yeah.
Just far enough away
Stay
where
away
they
from
won't
me.
hurt you.
Stay away from me.
Or give you diseases.
I'll bite. How's some of my quesadilla going? What in the... What are you doing?
I'm sharing.
That's like that's like half of it.
No, you're gonna have some chicken strips.
No, they're cold.
But I thought we were sharing.
Oh my god, you're done.
As much as we loved visiting Belize, all good things must come to an end, so we had to head back home. It really was an incredible trip, and it felt so different from all of our other experiences in Central America and the Caribbean. We totally recommend visiting Belize, especially if you are into snorkeling or marine life, diving. Check out our first video from Belize from the Whole Chan Marine Reserve. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and check us out on Instagram and TikTok. All of the links are down in the description below, and we will see you next time. Bye!